Welcome to the Aviation Insurance Podcast, the podcast that helps aircraft owners and aviation businesses learn and understand the complex world of aviation insurance and risk management. From the basic principles of aviation insurance to risk management techniques and updates on the aviation insurance market, the Aviation Insurance Podcast is your guide to traverse the world of aviation insurance. Now, here's your host, Tim Bonnell.
Well, welcome to the Aviation Insurance Podcast, where we talk about the fundamentals of aviation insurance. And today, I want to talk about something that really isn't insurance, but it's something that comes up anytime we have an aircraft that basically takes passengers outside of the country and back, certainly for hire. And it's called a customs bond. A customs bond is required when people are bringing goods in and out of the country, valued over $2,500. And so we find definitely our charter operators are required to carry these customs bonds. And a customs bond satisfies the requirement of the Customs and Border Patrol. Again, there's all kinds of information you can Google on this, but I just want to give you a quick overview from a high-level perspective of what a customs bond is and how it's different from insurance. Because really, an insurance contemplates a transfer of a risk. A bond doesn't. A bond is a financial guarantee, and it's one that the bond issuer does not intend to have to pay. So a bond is simply a financial guarantee, and it is a third-party agreement between three parties: the surety, which we might think of as the insurance company, the principal, the guarantor, which is going to be the aircraft operator in our case that we're talking about, and then the obligee, the party requiring the bond, in this case, the U.S. government, the Customs Border Patrol. So the surety, the principal, and the obligee have this bond to satisfy the government's requirement. It is to guarantee the payment of the customs duty owed to the government. So the government wants to financially guarantee that you are going to be providing those payments that are going to be due for the customs duties for bringing people and objects in and out of the country. So not insurance, it's a bond. It's not two parties, it's three parties. And it's to satisfy this customs duty as a financial guarantee that you, the insured, the guarantor, I should say, not the insured, the principal or guarantor will be financially able to come through on those obligations. So any commercial operator who transports cargo or people for hire internationally needs a customs bond. And that is something that seems mundane, but it oftentimes this may require providing some financials and other information because of giving the fact that the bond is a financial guarantee. Typically they want some evidence that the financials are in good shape. If they're not going to be willing, the surety or insurance company is not going to be willing to issue the bond. So charter operators, cargo operators going in and out of the country, be sure you are aware of the requirement for customs bonds and what you are getting when you purchase a customs bond. You're not getting insurance. It's a financial guarantee, one that the surety is not planning to pay. So that is all for this episode. Join us again next time as we continue navigating the waypoints in aviation insurance. Until then, enjoy clear skies and unlimited visibility.
Thanks for listening to the Aviation Insurance Podcast. If you found this episode of value, please share it with someone who would benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe in your podcast player so you don't miss any new episodes and to help our show have more impact. This episode is brought to you by Aeris Insurance Solutions, your flight plan for navigating the turbulence of aviation insurance. For more information, visit aerisinsurance.com. That is www.aerisinsurance.com. Disclaimer: these episodes are for educational purposes only, and due to the changing regulatory and legal nature of the business, some information may change over time. Having a well-educated and experienced aviation insurance broker on your team is an absolute requirement to success in business and for managing your aircraft and aviation business risks.